Alright, in this video I want to give you a YouTube search-based YouTube automation success blueprint. If you just follow this blueprint, you should get success within your YouTube search-based automation channel. If you don't know what search-based YouTube automation is, it's basically just when you take searchable topics, you make that 1 to 4 minute video, you rank that in the search results by the hundreds and by the thousands. People find it in the search results and you get paid for each view that you generate, and you can also do affiliate marketing. So this is the exact blueprint that I followed to get success with my channel. You can follow the same thing, and it's really simple once you actually break down this formula. So it all starts off with your research, okay? And there's mainly 3 different ways that you can do research for your search-based YouTube automation channel, and that is using the search bar. This is the most overpowered method to be able to find keywords for your channel, and it's what I use on a daily basis. So if I just open up YouTube here real quick, so if I just go to the search bar here, immediately once I click on it, you can see all these auto suggestions. So people come in here every single day, they type how to, let's just say for an example, send, and how to send money using Capitec app, how to send Bitcoin from Cash App. If you make these videos and you rank them, people are going to actually find them and you'll make money for each view. But the trick is not to just copy and paste these auto suggestions. You need a keyword research process, okay? And if you're struggling to actually get the keyword research process, you can go to the first link in the video description, and this is my school community, okay? If you click on that, basically you can get access to a 7 days free trial, and then it's only $7 per month. But this is going to teach you everything you need to know about starting and growing and scaling this business. But that is the search bar method, and then you get the competitor method. So if I just go onto YouTube, and let's just take this Bitcoin topic for an example, and I go to this channel, how to process, okay, you'll go to this competitor's channel, okay, you'll go to their videos, and then you would go to popular, and what you're looking for is a recent video. They got a lot of views, so you can potentially make a video. So if you scroll down, you will find them, but this one 13K 2 years ago. This channel doesn't have that many popular videos, so you'll just go back to the search results and you'll find another channel. So that's using the competitor method, and then you can use AI to come up with these keywords. You can go onto ChatGPT, you can go onto Gemini, you can go onto Claude and tell it to do some research based off various different prompts that you put in, and you can get keywords to be able to upload and rank and make money with on your YouTube channel. So that's the first stage of actually this blueprint, and that is the research stage, okay? Very important to get the research stage right. If you don't have this fundamental stage down, then you are pretty much going to struggle and you're going to get stuck as you go along. Then you move on to video creation, because these are YouTube videos. You need to upload them on a daily basis. So your video creation, you can either do it yourself, so you record the videos yourself and you upload them yourself and you make the thumbnails yourself, okay? This is something that you can do in the beginning to save a little bit of money, but over a long time period you're going to actually burn out doing this. So what I recommend is you start with the self-made videos, and then you move on to building a team, okay? Building a team is going to allow you to hire 1 to 2 people to do the videos and thumbnails and upload the videos for you, and then you'll free up all your time. Then you can focus on stage 1 in this, which is the research, and that's the most important aspect of this, okay? Research. If you don't have good topics, you're going to struggle to get views. So you build a team, and then they do the videos, and you can also do a mix of both. So you do some videos and your team does some videos, okay? You can do that to save some costs, and that'll free up your time a little bit. But if you stop making videos, then your results will go down because you're not putting in that much work. So then it comes down to volume. This is very important, okay? So if you go to this channel right here, how to process, you can see they have 676 videos. If I just go to their oldest video, you can see they've been doing this for 3 years. So in this business model, 676 videos in 3 years isn't like a lot of videos. You want to be posting at least 1,000 to 2,000 videos or 3,000 videos in 3 years if you're actually taking this business model serious. Okay, so we can go back to the search results and we can go to, let's just go to this channel right here. and we can see that they've uploaded 2K videos. Okay, so that's a good amount of volume, and you can see they're getting 870,000 views every single month. So that's good. So that's a good amount of volume. They know the keyword research is working for them, and they keep on doing this. If I go to their oldest videos, you can see 4 years ago. So 2K videos is 4 years. So they're doing like medium to low volume on their channel, but it still works. They're still able to make $3,000 per month with their channel. So the recommended volume that I like to do is basically 3 types of volume: low volume, medium to low volume, medium volume, and then high volume. So medium to low will be 35 videos per week, basically 5 videos every single day. So that's what you can do if you're just getting started out. If you're doing the videos yourself, that's not going to take all your time. That's going to take like 30 minutes to 1 hour to create 5 videos. And then you can just edit those videos, upload them, and you repeat that process on a daily basis until you have 35 videos for the week. Then you can do a medium volume, which is 50 videos per week. Okay, this is a good amount. Now you will struggle a little bit if you're doing this all by yourself, because you have to edit, you have to record 50 videos, you have to edit 50 videos, you have to make 50 thumbnails, and you have to upload 50 videos all in the week. So if you are having a full-time job or you're just a busy person, this can be quite difficult. You definitely cannot do high volume, which is 70 plus videos per week, if you are a busy person or you work a full-time job. So then you want to build a team or do a mix of both to be able to get that done. But 50 videos a week is actually going to get you some really good results. So that's what I recommend as medium volume. Then 70 plus videos per week is actually like 300 to 400 videos every single month, and that's going to get you some really good results in a lower time period, because the more videos that you can upload quicker, the more ranking videos you're going to get, and then the more are going to stay in the rankings and get you monetized, and then eventually make you money on a very consistent basis. And that's a good volume, but this isn't achievable for everyone. You will definitely need a team to be able to upload 70 plus videos per week. Okay, and then you come down to analyzing. Okay, when you are having your channel for like 6 to 12 months, you want to analyze what's working, and then you want to double down on what's working on your channel so that you can get more successful videos or viral videos. Because if you get a video that gets 200 to 300,000 views, and you notice that in your analytics, and you do a spin-off or a similar video to that topic, chances are you're going to get like 50 to 100k views on that video, and that just brings up your views per 48 hours nicely, and you can rinse and repeat that process the more viral videos that you get. And like I said, spin-off videos as well. And then you can also follow trends. So if you notice that there's a lot of trends on like TikTok or a lot of trends on Instagram, and you've done those videos and they've been successful, you can follow those trends to get some more views. But you got to keep in mind that with trends, the trend normally dies off after 3 to 7 days. So you need to keep uploading trends in order to maintain your views. So I recommend a good split: 80% evergreen videos and 20% trends. That's going to be a good split for your channel. So that's the full YouTube search-based automation success blueprint. If you just follow this, you have a very, very high chance of actually succeeding with this business model. Now, if you want to get started today and start a search-based channel or take your existing search-based channel to the next level, click the first link in the video description. You can start your free trial for 7 days, and then it's just $7 per month. And then I'll show you what you get within the community. Okay, so you get the full community, so you can ask all your questions here and get a direct response from me. And then if I go to the classroom, that's where you learn about this business model. You have the beginner's guide, the viral niches, the search mastery course, which is the main course. You can see it's a full in-depth video training course. Okay, these are videos right here. You can go through that, and that's going to teach you everything you need to know about this business model. Then we do a call, one call every 2 weeks. So you can get those weekly call recordings in there. There's some call recordings in there right now to get some value from that. And then you can get ad-free training and one-on-one coaching. Okay, all you need to do is click on the start free trial button, and you can start your free trial. Okay, and I hope to see you on the inside.